students. Hello students, good morning. Hope you all are doing good. So my name is Manipal and I have been working in corporate sector since last 10 years. I am here to teach you the science subject from 6 to 10. I will make your concept to understand the subjects very good. So I will focus on the concepts, and please be with me to understand the science subject conceptually. Thank you. So today I am going to take the first lesson of the science subject of the 6th class. That is, I have taken from the NCERT class 6. So chapter name is food. Where does it come from? So students, you know all the human beings or all the living things. What are the living things? The things which can reproduce, which can breathe, that is called the living things. Just for understanding purpose, in your surroundings, आपकी environment में जो भी चीज़ें प्रजनन करती हैं, सांसें लेती हैं, या they have some motility, that is called, जो चल सकते हैं, फिर सकते हैं. For example, आदमी, जानवर, इवन प्लांट्स दे ऑल्सो ब्रीथ, वो भी सांस लेते हैं. दैट्स कॉल्ड, दे आर द लिविंग थिंग्स. सो फॉर द लाइवलीहुड ऑफ द लिविंग थिंग्स दे नीड सम एनर्जी. ओके, सो फॉर द एनर्जी they take foods. How the energy living things get from? They take energy from food. So that's what we are going to discuss here. What is the food and where it comes from? So first open the book, chapter number 1. Page number is 3. So now let's start. So in first paragraph, what it is saying, what you have eaten today in your breakfast, lunch or dinner. At your home, your mother gives you breakfast, lunch and dinner on daily basis. So in breakfast you can take anything like milky products, some bread. In lunch you take generally rice and dal and vegetables. So these are called foods. So students, you can do one activity, that is, you can ask from your friends that what they have taken in your breakfast as well as in lunch and as well as in dinner, and you can just note it down that with a specification of the name, like Ram has eaten milk and cornflakes. Syam has eaten bread and omelette. So you can make this in a chart. So suppose on daily basis what we eat generally roti, chapati, rice, dal. So where come from these items? What are the sources for these products? Like how the roti is prepared? Your mother generally prepared with the atta, and atta where comes from the atta? That is called the wheat, गेहूं. आटा कहाँ से आता है? गेहूं से. In same way, rice comes from dhan. That is called so gehu and dhan are the plants that provide us atta and rice. In the same way, we get dal from pulses, ghee from animal, spices from plants. So these all are the like food products we generally have on the daily basis. So students, just prepare one table and write some name of the food products like rice, dal, chapati, and their ingredients. What is ingredients? Ingredients, where it comes from. Okay, like rice, roti comes from atta, dal comes from pulses, okay. So now the food we generally eat on daily basis, so they generally come from two sources. Okay, first one is plant and second one is the animal. Okay, so what are the like products we generally get from the plants? As you all know, what is the plants? Plants is a living thing that perform the respiration as well as reproduction, and they take the foods. So plants generally prepare their foods from themselves only. Okay, animals are the living things. They generally reproduce, generally respirate and take their foods from for their foods they depends on others like plants, some other source. So for example, plants, mango plants, rice, wheat. What are the example of animals? Human beings, dog, lion. These are the elements. So students, you can differentiate between the animals and plants. Generally plants are the living things. They stay at the same place. आपने देखा होगा ना, plants generally चलते नहीं है, they stay at the same place. But एनिमल्स जो होते हैं दे मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अदर प्लेस। प्लांट्स भी सांस लेता है, एनिमल्स भी सांस लेते हैं। प्लांट्स भी फूड लेता है बट दे प्रिपेयर देयर फूड्स फ्रॉम देमसेल्स ओनली। एनिमल्स भी फूड लेते हैं बट दे डिपेंड्स ऑन द अदर सोर्सेज। लाइक आप जो फूड में चपाती खाते हो, दाल खाते हो, राइस खाते हो, दे कम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट प्लांट सोर्सेज लाइक wheat, pulses. So these are the difference between the plant and animals. So among you some are the vegetarian and some are the non-vegetarian. That means कुछ लोग आप लोगों में से शाकाहारी होंगे, कुछ लोग मांसाहारी होंगे. That they generally do not eat meat and non-veg items like chicken, mutton, fish. These are the non-vegetarian items. And roti, rice, dal, kheer, these are the vegetarian items. So there are two classifications: veg foods and the non-veg foods. So just make a table and write some names like kheer, roti, rice, and provide their ingredients name that they comes from the plants. Same as non-vegetarian like chicken curry, mutton curry, they prepare from the non-vegetarian products, that is chicken, mutton. So these are called the non-vegetarian, that is mansahari. So what we conclude from these examples, that plants generally give us grains, that is called anaj, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. For example, fruits like mango, apple, anar, these are called the fruits. Vegetables like brinjal, pumpkin, tomato, these are the vegetables. Cereals like pulses, dal. Grains like rice, wheat, these are the grains. Same as the animal products are like meat, ghee. Generally ghee, where from the ghee prepared? Ghee is prepared from the milk, and milk comes from animal, that is cow, buffalo. So that's why these are called the animal products. Now comes to the second part, that is plant parts and animal products as food. So to understand this, first you should know that you do not eat each part of the plants. Like vegetables, for example brinjal, tomato, potato. So we do not eat the whole plants like we eat a stem of potato, leaf of the leafy vegetables. So first we should know that what are the parts generally found in plants. So just Students, see the pics in your right side of the plants. So generally there are two parts in plants. One part that is under the soil, that is called the roots. You can see, for the practical purpose you can just go to nearby your fields and take one plant. So one part is it is covered under the soil, that is called the root. Another part is like a stem. So from a stem there are different parts originated from the stems, like leaf, that is, you can see, that is called पत्ता. फ्लोर्स जो फूल निकलते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल गुलाब का फूल, गुलाउदी का फूल, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फ्लोर. स्टेम इज द सिलेंड्रिकल पार्ट, जो स्ट्रेट जो खड़ा होता है, काइंड ऑफ जिसके बेसिस पे, जिससे आगे चल के पत्ते निकलते हैं, फूल निकलते हैं. द स्ट्रेट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द स्टेम. एंड बर्ड इज that part from where generally flowers generate, जहाँ से फूल generate होते हैं, that is called the buds. So these are the important part, you should remember it. So just for understanding purpose, root is the only part that is under the soil, that is called the root, and the upper side of the soil, that there are different parts like stem, flowers, buds and leaf. So now we need to see that which parts are edible. Edible means खाने वाला होता है. प्लांट्स का कौन सा पार्ट खाने वाला होता है कौन सी सब्जी में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आलू में हम लोग क्या खाते हैं, आलू में हम लोग स्टेम खाते हैं. साग, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्पिंच, इसमें हम लोग क्या खाते हैं, लीफ खाते हैं. So students, you can go and you can see the plants and you can make the notes that which parts are edible of this plant. Take example of mango, banana. You can do the practical for the practical purpose. Same as do this activity, that is called the table 1.4. just complete it for the homework. For example, brinjal curry, how it prepared, it's prepared from the brinjal. And where from the brinjal comes, it's come from the plants, that is, it is fruit. brinjal क्या है, brinjal is a fruit. brinjal का एक plant होता है जिसमें fruit लगता है, that is called the brinjal. groundnuts, mustard, soybean and other plants क्या होते हैं, seed. seed is called बीज. seeds क्या होता है, seeds वो होते हैं जिसको लगाने पे एक नया plant निकलता है, that is called seeds. plants originates from the seeds. Same, prepare 2 or 3 more plants and their edible parts and where it comes from. So students, just for the precaution, never eat a plant which you are not aware of. ऐसा कोई सा भी प्लांट मत खाओ या अपने पेरेंट्स के सुपरविजन में जो तुमको पता नहीं है कि खाया जाता है या नहीं खाया जाता है. तो यू शुड नो दैट दिस प्लांट इज एडिबल एंड डू दिस एक्टिविटी ऑलवेज इन सुपरविजन ऑफ पेरेंट्स. अपने माता पिता को लेके जाओ और तब वो देखो कि कौन सा प्लांट से कौन सा प्लांट्स खाया जाता है, कौन सा पार्ट इसमें खाया जाता है। जैसे मैंगो में क्या है, मैंगो में हम फ्रूट्स खाते हैं। सो फल जो होता है उसका आम होता है, वो खाते हैं। आलू में जाओगे तो आलू का हम लोग नीचे वाला पार्ट खाते हैं, अंडर कवर्ड, दैट इज कॉल्ड रूट, एंड स्टेम इज एबव द सॉइल। सो इसमें हम लोग स्टेम खाते हैं। स्टेम का हिंदी होता है तना। सो नाउ सेम एज plants we have discussed, now go to the animal products. So how you get from the honey, how you get honey? Honey is a annual product. So honey generally we get from the honeybees, that is called the madhumakhi. So how honeybees prepared the honey? From the flowers. ये लोग फूल से अपना मध बनाते हैं। What it is called? nectar. So now go to the animal parts. So